Hey guys, in this video I want to share with you this concept of shampoo and conditioner. Does it really restore your hair? I mean, it's everywhere you look. If you look at marketing for shampoo, they're always saying, well, yeah, ours has biotin and herbs and lemongrass and collagen and shea butter and all sorts of natural things to restore and rejuvenate your hair. Well, in truth, it doesn't really do that. In fact, the fact is that your hair is dead. I'm sorry to tell you that. Everything from your scalp up is dead. You have no blood vessels in the hair. There's no nerves in the hair. In fact, try to cut your hair right now and see if it bleeds or it hurts. It won't, okay? So anything that you put externally on it will only act as a film to make it appear to be fuller, when in reality, it doesn't do anything to fix anything, okay? It might last for 24 hours until you have to shampoo the hair again. So the point is that to really restore hair, it's an inside-out job. You have to eat differently. You have to avoid certain things. There's a couple things you have to realize. One, the fat-soluble vitamins are essential. That would be vitamin A, D, E, K. All those are essential for your hair, okay? And that's in all the healthy fats. Avocados, coconut, and even healthy grass-fed animal products as well. Also, the other thing is trace minerals, vital for the hair to grow. And it's hard to get trace minerals from the food because in the soils, they really only replace like 3 minerals. They don't replace all the trace minerals. Trace minerals help build proteins. Okay, so a hair is protein. So you have to take it from the inside out, especially like, for example, zinc. Very important. If you're zinc deficient, your hair will fall out. And then you have the B vitamins and like biotin, very, very important, but to get it from food or supplement. But the point is that biotin is only one of the B vitamins. So the bottom line is getting the nutrition. And then secondly, the thing that destroys the hair is high levels of insulin. So that would be the sugar, the bread, the pasta, the cereal, the crackers, things like that, that raise insulin and literally block the nutrients from going into the hair. If you ever take a look at a diabetic, their hair is either falling out, they have frayed little edges, it's dry, it's not good. So the point is that it's really from the inside out, okay? So if you want more information, click the link below and share your comments below. Thanks for watching. What's the next part? What am I gonna say? Take 5, do it, and where am I going with this? Hey, if you're enjoying my videos, press the subscribe button below and I will keep you updated on the future events. Thank you so much.